This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Murdock. Well-maintained, charming brick condo in desirable Oakbrooke Crossing. Featuring 2 large primary suites each with spacious full bathrooms and walk-in closets. Bright, open floor plan with spacious kitchen, pantry, stainless appliances and bar. Private patio with wood fence and storage room. The community amenities include a pool, exercise trails, water, sewer, trash collection, and ground maintenance. Close to Greenbrier area, shopping, restaurants, and easy access to highways. Non-smoking unit, pets considered on case-by-case basis. Available August 3, 2022. For more information, review the details below.